Okay. You can see she's whining. This is Princess Buttercup, and she's waiting not patiently for her bark box. Okay? You see? Look at that face. Punk. Well, what do we have? This is the January bark box. My only peeve is that it usually arrives late in the month for me. So, shared custody kid, we're playing a weekend juggle on when she gets to get her bark box. So, what do we have? We have, looks like a medieval theme, right? What's in here? Oh, okay, back up, hey, back up, back up. Look at that punk face. So, we have, I have to tell you, I did sneak a peek in here because she was bugging me so bad for some treats. So, we have Banquet Feast, turkey and honey dog snacks. Oh, sniff, 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 sniff. You're going to get one of those, just a sec. Like my sister said to me, you make her wait until you open the whole box. Excuse me, what is that? Okay. Then we have green bark gummies with Nutri-Chia. Look at that, grain-free, healthy and delicious, and good for skin and coat. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay. All right. Well, what do we have here? We have a couple of... Oh, hey! Listen, kid. Back up. Back up. Oh, I saw what you went for. I saw. Are you grumbling? Look at that mess in the background. She went for the dragon. No, dragon. You can wait. Wait, chill out, okay? This is the Sherwin the dragon. Okay. Do you want to see the rest of them? Who do we have here? Oh, who's he? He's cute too. He's cute. This is, okay, she's circling. This is Squirrel Lancelot. Who were you chasing earlier? Squirrels. Are you snuffing? What are you doing? Oh, all right, I thought so. Yes, mommy, get on with it. So we have Squirrel Lancelot. Oh, hey. Give me patience. Mommy. Okay, down. Good girl. And then last but not least, we have Dozers. What is it? Oh, Dozer. Cute. So, we've got all of our cute little goodies here. And then we usually have some fun literature. Crown your dog. Oh, crown your dog. Pop out the crown, connect both ends, and then take a photo. Oh, yeah. See what it's like? It's not fun trying to get her to do some of that stuff, but sometimes I manage it. And then we even have a scroll, bark box, tale of the crazy spoiled buttercup. So this is the dragon. Maybe I'll let her choose either the dragon. You want the dragon? Oh yeah. She likes him. I just don't know if I can bear to watch as she tears apart a dragon. I don't know if I can handle that. But obviously she likes him. That is the January bark box. I guess you like... Hey, don't kill him already. That's the dragon. Sherwin. Gimme. Oh, don't kill Sherwin yet. He's really cute. Oh, look at him. Yeah. Yeah. Ah. I know.